Gone to your house?
Yeah.
You got water here?
Yeah.
Have you been down on your...
Yeah, my truck will make it, yeah.
Have you been down to the fire?
Yeah.
Just around the corner?
Like a half mile of twisty road, but it's right off the road. You'll know when you're there.
You heard, my job, I gotta stay at my house. So I don't have to leave.
It's down there about half mile. Do you want to ride or are you good?
I'll be fine.
Yeah, it's all downhill.
Do you have any idea what the road looks like? Is it coming out of a skate park?
He's going right over.
Oh, right underneath the airplane. Boom. Everyone's got to do a job. You can't always be happy with your job. Look at my truck. Look at my truck. Proof. Oh, man. Yeah, it's about another half mile down that way.
Okay, I'm going the right way though?
Yeah, it's just real steep and windy, so be careful.
Okay. Are you planning on staying here?
Yeah, I mean, unless it gets up here.
Okay.
So I'm going to stay here for a while and then see what happens.
Okay.
Cool.
Appreciate it.
Yeah. All right, be safe. Dang, these guys are legit. Yeah. I'll tell them only walk in past this point. Okay. That's the battalion chief. Fire B5. It's not connected. They hiked in from there. It used to be like straight up. So, all right, be safe. It's my tag phrase, be safe. Man.
This road goes right to it?
Yeah, right to it. And he's going so slow, that's crazy.